Welcome to the world of ramen.
Picture this: tender, springy noodles bathed in a rich and velvety broth, infused with layers of umami that caress your palate with every spoonful. So, grab your chopsticks, bring your appetite, and get ready to experience the different types of symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas that is ramen. Shoyu ramen. Shoyu ramen is a soy sauce-based broth that originated in Japan. It typically includes chashu, which is a braised pork, noodles, sliced bamboo shoots, nori seaweed, and a soft-boiled egg. At the heart of shoyu ramen lies the savory and aromatic soy sauce, carefully selected and blended to perfection. It infuses the broth with its distinctive umami essence, creating a deep and flavorful base that will transport you to the bustling ramen shops of Japan. Tonkotsu ramen. Tonkotsu ramen is a rich and creamy pork bone broth-based ramen, also from Japan. The broth is made by boiling pork bones for an extended period, resulting in a thick and flavorful soup. It is often topped with chashu, green onions, kikuage mushrooms, and may include a soft-boiled egg. The toppings add layers of flavor and texture, creating a symphony of taste that lingers long after the last spoonful.
Miso ramen. Miso ramen features a broth made with fermented soybean paste, miso, providing a robust and savory flavor. It originated in Hokkaido, Japan, and is typically garnished with corn, butter, bean sprouts, and sometimes ground pork.
Shio ramen.
Shio ramen is a salt-based ramen that offers a light and refreshing taste. The broth is made with salt, chicken, seafood, or vegetable stock. It is commonly topped with seafood, vegetables, and green onions.
Sukman ramen.
Sukman, or dipping ramen, is a style where the noodles are served separately from the broth. The noodles are thicker and chewier, and the broth is intensely flavored.
Laksa.
Laksa is a spicy and aromatic noodle soup popular in Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Malaysia and Singapore. It typically combines rice noodles with a rich, coconut milk-based curry broth, topped with ingredients like shrimp, chicken, tofu puffs, bean sprouts, and herbs.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.